Now, this is number 33, 9709, 12 October, November 12. A diagram is given. All the conditions are here. We have to calculate the coordinates of M and D. M, what is M? M is the midpoint of BD. M is the midpoint of BD. We have to calculate the coordinates of M. अब आप देखिए, अगर हमारे पास D के coordinates मौजूद होते तो हम midpoint calculate कर लेते. But we don't have the coordinates of D. अब क्या करें जनाब? How can we calculate the coordinates of M? अब M के coordinates कैसे आएंगे? तो सामने नजर आ रहा है बच्चों, AC is a line, AC is a line, BD is a line. दोनों लाइंस कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं? M पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं. अगर दोनों लाइंस की इक्वेशन बना लें और साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर लें तो क्या M के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ जाएंगे? और जब M के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ जाएंगे, इसके बाद we will apply the midpoint formula for the coordinates of D, right? So first I am making the equation of AC. Equation of AC. For AC, first we have to calculate the gradient. It will be 4 plus 1 divided by 9 plus 1. So the answer is 5 over 10. Here the answer is 1 upon 2. This is the gradient of AC. Any confusion? Now, after that, I am calculating the equation y minus y1 using the coordinates of A. So y minus y1 equals to M x minus x1. So cross multiply 2y plus 2 equals to x plus 1 and 2y equals to x minus 1. This is the equation of AC. Any confusion? Now, after that, the equation of BD. BD is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, the gradient of BD is minus 2. By using coordinates B, y minus y1 equals to M x minus x1 is 3. So y minus 6 equals to minus 2x plus 6 and y equals to minus 2x plus 12. The two equations are here. Now we have to solve them simultaneously. The value of y from this equation is x minus 1 divided by 2. I am substituting in the second equation. X minus 1 divided by 2 equals to minus 2x plus 12. 2 cross multiply. X minus 1 equals to minus 4x plus 24. 4x and x will be 5x equals to 25. And the value of x is 5. Therefore, the value of y is 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2. The coordinates of M are 5 and 2. Are you clear? Any confusion? Now, after that, for coordinates of D, I am using the midpoint formula. X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x? The coordinates of M, which are 5 and 2. So what is x? 5. What is x1? The coordinates of B, which is 3. What is x2? Let's say this is A and B. This is A divided by 2. So the value of A is 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. And after that, y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is the value of y? The value of y is 2. What is y1? y1 is 6. What is y2? It is b divided by 2. The value of b is 2 2s are 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So the coordinates of d are 7 and minus 2. Are you clear? Any confusion? Clear, boys? Girls, clear? That's great. After that, the second part, we have to calculate the ratio between AM and MC, right? By the help of distance formula, we are able to calculate the ratio between them. So I'm using distance formula. The second part, calculating AM by using y2 minus y1, 2 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 1 whole square. It is 2 plus 1 whole square is 3, 3 square is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 square is 36. So it is equals to under root 36 plus 9, 45. Now, after that, MC. Here it is under root by 2 minus 5, 1, 4 minus 2 whole square plus 9 minus 5 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 square is 16. So it is under root 20. Therefore, AM is to MC is दोनों पर अंडर रूट है तो एक के अंडर रूट में लिख दीजिए AM is 45 and the second value is 20. 45 divided by 20 is 9 upon 4 and therefore the answer is 3 upon 2. Therefore, the final result is 3:2. We have to write like this. Are you clear? Any confusion? Question number 35. 970912 May June 11 question. The line passes through the point AB. The line L2 is parallel to L1 and passes through a region. The point C lies on L2 such that AC is perpendicular to L2. Okay, fine. Right. First आपसे क्या कहा गया? I'm making a diagram here. The line AB. Here is the line AB. The line L2 is parallel to L1 and this is line L1. The line L2 is parallel to L1 and passes through a region. The point C lies on L2. Okay. Now, another line is parallel to line L2. Another line L2 is parallel to line L1 and passes through a region. Passes through a region means ये लाइन 0 0 से पास कर रही होगी. The point C lies on L2 such that AC is perpendicular. Okay. If we drop a perpendicular from A to the line L2, then this point is point C such that AC is perpendicular to line L2. Here is 90 degrees. Find the coordinates of C. हमें C के coordinates चाहिए. This is the diagram. Right? Any confusion in the diagram? No. Now, अब देखिएगा बच्चों. First, we have to calculate the coordinates of C. अब देखिए coordinate of C calculate करने के लिए हमारे पास एक line मौजूद है blue color में, which is line AC. Another line L2, which is in the red color. ये जो red और blue color lines intersect कर रही हैं, कहाँ intersect कर रही हैं? C पर. तो अगर हम इन दोनों लाइंस की इक्वेशन कैलकुलेट करें, साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करें तो क्या C आ जाएगा? Yes, C आ जाएगा, right? So first, I am calculating the equation of line AC. For equation AC, AC line की इक्वेशन कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. For AC line, first calculate the gradient. First calculate the gradient of AB. And the gradient of AB will be 9 minus 5 divided by 10 minus 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. And the answer is 1 upon 2. The gradient of AB is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the gradient of line 2 is also 1 upon 2. And line 2 is perpendicular to AC. Line 2 is perpendicular to AC. Therefore, the gradient of AC is equals to minus 2. Yes, we have calculated the gradient of AB, which is equals to 1 upon 2, and the line AB is parallel to line L2. So its gradient is also 1 upon 2. And here the line AC is perpendicular, therefore its gradient is minus 2. So in the line AC, we have the coordinates of A and the gradient minus 2. So by using y minus y1, the coordinates of A equals to m x minus x1. x1 is 2. So y minus 5 equals to minus 2x plus 4 and y equals to minus 2x plus 9 is the equation of line AC. Are you clear? Clear, girls? Now, after that, we have to calculate the equation of line L2. Equation of L2. For equation of L2, what is the gradient? Gradient is 1 upon 2. And the coordinate from where the line crosses is 0, 0. So y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1 cross multiplied 2y equals to x. This is the equation of line 2. We have to solve them simultaneously. What is the value of x? What is the value of y from this? X upon 2. I am substituting in the equation of AC. So therefore, it will be, the AC equation will be x upon 2 equals to minus 2x plus 9 and x equals to minus 4x plus 18 and 5x equals to 18 and x equals to 18 divided by 5. Therefore, the value of y is 18 divided by 10, and which is equals to, by cancellation of 9 divided by 5. So the coordinates are 18 divided by 5 and 9 divided by 5. These are the coordinates of C. Are you clear? Any confusion? Now, after that, the distance AC is now simple. Second part, the distance AC is equal to under root. The coordinates of AR 25, CR, this is 18 over 5, 9 over 5. So 9 over 5 minus 5 whole squared plus 18 over 5 minus 2 whole squared. So it will be under root 9 minus 25 is 16, 6 minus 16 over 5 whole squared plus 8 over 5 whole squared. And what is the final answer? What is the final answer? Calculate 3.58. The final answer is 3.58. Hopefully it is clear. Not necessary. Up. Question number 36 is from 970913 May June 11. The line this, where A and B are positive constant, meets the x-axis and y-axis at P and Q. Okay. So the diagram is like, here is the line. Here is the line PQ. Meets the x-axis at P and y-axis at Q. At P, what are the coordinates? Y is 0 and x is something. At Q, what are the coordinates? X is 0 and y is something. Yes or no? Yes. Now, how can we calculate the coordinates of P and Q completely? In the equation of the line, आपको बार-बार बताया कि जब कोई line के ऊपर कोई point हमें मिल जाए, तो हम उसके coordinate line के x, y को replace कर सकते हैं by the coordinate, right? So here, the first coordinate is, let's say x, 0. So I am replacing in the line is x over a plus y over b equals to 1. So for P, y equals to 0. So therefore it will be x over a equals to 1. So the value of x is a. So the coordinate of P is a0, and same like for when x equals to 0, then it will be y over b equals to 1, and the value of y is b. Therefore, the coordinates of Q are 0, b. Yes or no? Yes, right? After that, we have to calculate the two unknowns. So it means we must have two equations. We have to calculate two unknowns. So it means we must have two equations. If the number of equations are equal to the number of unknowns, then we are able to calculate the unknowns, right? So now, the first condition is given in the question. PQ is 45. The distance PQ is 45. So I'm writing here, the distance PQ is under root 45. And how can we calculate the distance PQ by the coordinates? It will be under root y2 minus y1 squared. So b squared plus a squared equals to under root 45. So the first equation is a squared plus b squared equals to 45. Root and root cancel out. This is, let's say, equation 1. Any confusion? No. After that, the next equation, the gradient of PQ is minus 1 upon 2. I'm writing here the gradient of PQ is minus 1 upon 2. And what is the gradient of PQ means? Y2 minus Y1. So 0, it is 0 minus B divided by A minus 0 equals to minus 1 upon 2 minus B over A equals to minus 1 upon 2. Cross multiplication, A equals to 2B. Let's say this is equation 2. Any confusion? Equation 1 and 2 generate ho gayi. Are you clear? Now, after that, if A is equals to 2B, I'm replacing it in equation 1. So here it is 2B whole squared plus B squared equals to 45. Now, 2B whole square means 4B squared plus B squared equals to 45. This is 5B squared. So B squared equals to 5B squared equals to 45. And B squared equals to how much? 5 nines are. And the value of B is plus minus 3. If B is 3, then what is the value of A? The value of A is 6. And if B is minus 3, then what is the value of A? The value of A is minus 6. We have to calculate, yes, likha hua hai where A and B are positive. So it means we just have to write positive answers. So A or B की values हमारे पास आ गई. Are you clear? The question of 5 marks. Any confusion, anyone? Okay, students, question number 38. This is 970913 October November 11. Show that the x coordinate of A and B satisfy the equation this. Bacho, A and B is a line, AB is a line, crosses the curve from the 2 points, from the 3 points, right? जब भी intersection हो जाए, curve line, line line, curve curve, एक ही method है, simultaneously solve करना. So we are solving them simultaneously. So in the first part, the equation of the line is y equals to 2x. The equation of the curve is given. We are comparing both of them. So it will be 2x power 5 plus 3x cube equals to 2x. Now 2x power 5 plus 3x cube minus 2x equals to 0. Can I take x common? Yes, it is 2x power 4 plus 3x squared minus 2 equals to 0. So first x equals to 0 and second 2x power 4 plus 3x squared minus 2 equals to 0, which we have to prove for the first part. Any confusion? Clear? And after that, we have to solve the equation. In the second part, we have to solve the equation, and the equation is 2x power 4 plus 3x squared minus 2 equals to 0. Suppose कीजिए it's a quadratic equation और middle term break कर दीजिए. Suppose क्या किया जाएगा? It's a quadratic equation, because in the quadratic equation middle term की power क्या होती है? 1 और first term की क्या होती है? 2. क्या डिफरेंस आया दोनों में? 2 के टेबल का डिफरेंस आया. इसमें क्या है? फर्स्ट मिडिल की पावर 2 है और यहाँ पर 4 है, वही डिफरेंस आया, राइट? तो सपोज कीजिए इट्स अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन और मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक करते हैं जरा. सो इट विल बी 2x पावर 4. हाउ टू ब्रेक द मिडिल टर्म? इट विल बी 4x स्क्वायर्ड माइनस x स्क्वायर्ड माइनस नो, it will be, yes, सही, 4x squared minus x squared minus 2 equals to 0. 2x squared common, so it will be x squared plus 4 minus, sorry, x squared plus 2 and here it is -1 common, x squared plus 2 equals to 0, x squared plus 2 common. So it will be 2x squared minus 1 equals to 0. So can I say that x squared plus 2 equals to 0 and 2x squared minus 1 equal to 0? For this, x squared equals to -2. Under root of negative is not possible, but here x squared equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, what are the values of x? Plus, minus, under root 1 upon 2. Solve the equation and hence find the coordinate of A and B. We need to calculate the coordinates of A and B. So, बच्चों, in this, the coordinate of A will be, A के लिए बच्चों x क्या हो जाएगा? -1 upon under root 2, or we can also call it under root 1 upon 2, the whole under root. 1 को under root पे लिखें, under root से बाहर लिखें, the both are same, right? And at B, what are the coordinates? 1 upon under root 2. Now, this is the equation of the line. If we replace -1 upon under root 2 here in this equation of the line, then the x coordinate, if the x coordinate is -1 upon under root 2, then the y coordinates are 2 upon under root 2 with negative sign. And for B, if the x coordinate are 1 upon under root 2, 1 upon under root 2 को line की equation में लिखेंगे, so it will be 2 upon under root 2. These are the coordinates of A and B. Are you clear? Any confusion?